Okay, so we've spoken about the rule of thirds, which is the most popular rule in photography, although we have no rules. We've spoken about balance, we've spoken about lines that can guide you through, and we've even spoken about patterns. Now we want to talk about depth, because depth in photography is a difficult one because photography is two-dimensional. And we have to choose our compositions carefully to convey the sense of depth that was present in the actual scene, the ones that our eyes can process. But you can create depth in a photo by including objects in the foreground, the middle ground and the background. For example, a photo of the landscape but capturing the poppies in the foreground which drift backwards towards the hills adds that depth. Or another use of that compositional technique is to slightly overlap things. If you deliberately partially obscure one object with another, the human eye naturally recognises these layers and mentally separates them out, creating an image with more depth. This is especially common in landscape photography, where you're capturing a scene of hills or mountains, but you want to add depth by focusing on flowers and fences and sheep in the foreground. In this photo, using the flowers in the foreground, which partially overlap Arthur's Seat, they just add that little bit of depth to the background. So try this out, take some photos and see what you can add in the foreground, the middle ground and the background.